Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a simple project in Adobe Premiere Pro. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. To create a new project, look for the New Project option and click on it. A new project creation window will pop up. A window creation window will pop up. Projects folder, where you can choose a different location if you prefer. For organizational purpose, it's a good idea to create a specific folder for your project. This will make it easier to find and manage your files later on. I'm going to choose my drive and create a folder called Adobe Premiere to keep everything organized. Next, you'll need to name your project. This is an important step because it will help you identify your project later on. I'll name my project New. To keep it simple, but you can name your project whatever you like. Once you have set the location and named your project, you can click OK to create it. When creating a project, it's generally best to leave the default setting unchanged. You have unchanged unless you have specific requirements. The Enquiry playback engine, timecode display, audio sample, and strategic settings can remain as they are. These settings ensure that your project files are stored in the same folder as your project, keeping everything organized. If your layout doesn't match the one I'm showing, don't worry. By default, Premiere Pro may display a different workspace. You can easily switch to the editing workspace by clicking Editing in the top bar. Once you're in the editing workspace, you'll have access to all of the tools and features you need to create a project. Perfect. Now we have our project ready to go. That's it for this tutorial on creating a simple project in Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, the process is straightforward and easy to follow. Don't stop here. Feel free to explore the different tabs and settings in Premiere Pro as you progress. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials. And don't forget to check out our Premiere Pro course playlist.